welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this stunning looking Jaguar XF. It's a 2.2 diesel, automatic. It's got park distance control. It's lovely looking alloy wheels, finished in silver. You've got the chrome trim around the doors to match as well. Really sets the car off. A very nice low mileage example. Got park distance control to the rear. We've got the rear camera. As I said, has been a low mileage car. The bodywork's in beautiful condition. Going into the boot. Boot area has been very well looked after. It's a very large boot space as well. Looking at the interior of the car, we have full leather interior. Got electric windows. It also comes with the carbon fibre trim to match. Looks really nice. And again on the front, it's got the carbon fibre trim and of course electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the Meridian sound system. It's got electric seats. Heading over into the car, let's just turn it on. So this car has only done 60,907 miles. So we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, we've got the full climate control with the air conditioning, we've got Bluetooth connectivity. Let's show you the reverse camera. Got satellite navigation, and again it's got the carbon fibre trim throughout the car, really sets it off. Got the paddle shift for the gearbox as well. At DJH with full dealer facilities including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.